let it warm across Mama's porch. Skillet smoke climbed slowly. She pressed a folded letter to my shirt. Keep this close, you go. Dad's handshake felt like iron rails. No goodbye, just a nod. The screen door moaned, the wind cut through. The gravel smelled like God. Train whistles split the morning, tin blue and bright. I tucked our little kitchen light where a pocket meets my life. Boots on doors, bed locked right. Rain in the wood, all in the air. If courage has an address, I wrote it on my ribs. I carry home inside my chest a house of flame behind this vest. The world turns hard, but I don't bend. If I have to leave, I'll never end. I carry home inside my chest your whisper grace, my only rest. I carry home inside my chest a house of flame behind this vest. The world turns hard, but I don't bend. If I have to leave, I'll never end. I carry home inside my chest your whisper grace, my only rest. And coyote cries, the sky lit up like sin. I traced your name with shaking hands, ink running to my skin. Mud on teeth, copper on tongue, thunder in my bones. I ain't a saint, I ain't a thief, just walking broken roads. The flare lights painted ghosts and doubts like crosses on my vest. I read your letter by a match, felt the kitchen's warm compress. Some blur lines when fear blows cold. Right ain't clean when steel takes hold. The mercy hums a tune I'm trying to sing. I carry home inside my chest a house of flame behind this vest. The world turns hard, but I don't bend. If I have to leave, I'll never end. I carry home inside my chest your whisper grace, my only rest. Shot rang out a hammer's kiss, time slowed to a thread. Paper burst, ink mixed with blood, the silence roared like lead. That letter crumbled, stopped the storm, left scripture on my skin. Your words became a wooden door, and I walked through again. You carried me inside my chest, your little house survived the test. When roads went black, your porch light burned, it steered me home through every turn. I carry home inside my chest, and now I know what courage is. Floorboard keeps our time. I lay that tone and sacred page where heartbeat meets the spine. Smoke climbs gentle, wind still west. The promise doesn't need a stone. When home lives in your chest. Tin cup steaming, gun oil air, the tent some low with rain. Your letter smells like porch light smoke and summer on my name. I crack the seal with shaking thumbs, the paper warms my hands. A cap beneath the pear tree purrs inside these lines you planned. You're out of flowers by the fence, of roofs that never leak. I hear your laughter cut the storm, clear water strong and sweet. When miles get meaning and faces blur, I read you like a prayer, and every breath comes back to me like wind through mama's hair. I carry your words like a lantern through the rain, fire in the dark, steady in the pain. The world turns on, but I still remain. I carry your words like a lantern through the rain. Action step by step, rising reality. Flare lights paint the tents in red, wet wool bites my skin. I mouth your name to drown the shells and pull the daylight in. Ink runs wild across my page, my pen stumbles your face. I fold a promise into sweat, no marble, just my faith. Don't wait too long, I almost write, then scratch it, start again. I sign my breath, I seal my bones, I mark it, I'll come home. Heavier breath, more old gray.
Right ain't clean when nights turn loud, a good man still can shake. But mercy hums beneath the smoke, and that's the choice I make.
I carry your words like a lantern through the rain, fire in the dark, steady in the pain. The world turns iron, but I still remain. I carry your words like a lantern through the rain, the proof that hurts in weighted silence. A shot came looking for my heart, the letter caught the blow. Ink and blood made muddy stars, I watched the paper glow. Your garden smeared across my chest, but kept the engine on. I carry your words like a lantern through the rain. Now I feel the porch light burning in my veins. Road turns black, but I still know your name. I carry your words like a lantern through the rain. I carry your words like a lantern through the rain. I set that torn but living page where a heartbeat meets the flame. The wind keeps shaking every wall. The lantern stays the same. Red flares bruise the sky, wet wool bit my skin. Your letters smell like porch light smoke and summer breaking in. I read it by a trembling match, the wax ran down my thumb. Heard market bells in your small hands, the storm went soft and numb. I feared I'd lose your voice to miles where thunder drowns a name. Then you wrote, love's a lamp and wind, I'll cup it with my hands. Roads turn iron, prayers turn smoke, but keeps faith breathing thin. I fold your lines against my ribs and feel the light begin. I keep the flame alive in the wind, fire in the rain, I won't give in. When the night leans hard and the distance keep the flame alive in the wind. I keep the flame alive in the wind. Fire in the rain, I won't give in. When the night leans hard and the distance wins, I keep the flame alive in the wind. Shell-stitched hail across the tents, the canvas breathed like lungs. I traced your name in shaking ink that bled into my palms. I started, don't you wait too long, then crossed it out with ash. Wrote, trust the lamp, I'll find my road and seal it with a match. Between the ride I hoped I was and things I had to do, I held that letter like a creed and felt it holding too. Good men shake when nights turn loud and clean gets stained with fear. But mercy hums beneath the smoke. I lean until I hear. I keep the flame alive in the wind. Fire in the rain, I won't give in. When the night leans hard and the distance wins, I keep the flame alive in the wind.
Flame alive in the wind, fire in the rain, I won't give in. When the night leans hard and the distance wins, I keep the flame alive in the wind.
The proof that hurts in silence, a shard came hunting for my heart. Your paper took the blow, ink with blood made muddy stars. The candle said to go. I pressed that torn and living page where breath keeps time within, pays time within. You keep the flame alive in the wind. Your guarded light now burns in me again. Miles turn dark and the storm begins, we keep the flame alive in the wind. We keep the flame alive in the wind. Smoke climbs slowly, the canvas sways, the zipper hums like him. I cup my hands the way you wrote, hoping that I came home. Gold-eared on the wheat, cicada saw the noon too. White dress breathing under the old pear tree. Yes, you. Dust on my boots, tin in my mouth, sweat stings my eyes. I tip my hat, the wind runs through the screen door sighs. I don't say a word, your gaze says everything I own. In that hush I feel a small porch light calling me home. Steps to her, not the vows, not stone, just patience holding fast. Your quiet faith outlived the thunder of my past. You kept the light, I came home
Through iron mines,
nights of stone.
window turned riding home.
You kept the light,
I came home.
you kept the light.
I came home.
Through iron miles and nights of stone, when the world turned hard as bone, you kept the light. I came home.
as I learned the darker roads. Mud in my teeth, copper on tongue, my choices bent their oars. I ain't pure, just breathing through a map of smoke and shame. Your letter lived inside my vest like tender guarding flame. There's a proof that hurts a tear and blood where shrapnel drove. That page caught fire, saved my heart, burned scripture on my clothes. Whose weighted breath when fears a flood, but mercy hums beneath the mud.
You kept the light.
I came home
Through iron miles,
nights of stone.
when the world turned hard as bone.
You kept the light.
I came home,
You kept the light.
I came home.
Through iron miles and nights of stone, when the world turned hard as bone. You kept the light. I came home. I placed that torn and sacred page warm in your waiting hand. My dog tag clinks to ghosts that live too loud to understand. Your fingers trace the burn mark's edge, we both just breathe. And all the thunder I survived learns how to finally leave.
We keep the light.
This is home.
Two steady hands around one flame's glow.
Let the wind come hard and the dark still roam. We keep the light, this is home.
You kept the light. I came home.
Through iron miles and nights of stone, when the world turned hard as bone. You kept the light.
I came home.
You kept the love.
I came home.
Through iron miles and nights of stone, when the world turned hard as bone. You kept the light. I came home. I came home. Smoke climbs from the kettle like a hymn through summer heat. Pear leaves rattle soft, your heartbeat counting mine in sync. I hang my hat, the floorboard answers, dust drifts down like snow. The same porch light that led me back now shines from us and grows.